Welcome to the Talon Cave. Such a beautiful cave.
Yeah, ask if there is food. Let me know. We're looking for some food right now. We just started the Thakhek loop. It's in the middle of Laos. I was in the north for a few weeks, and now I'm making my way down south. I met this Dutch guy, Mas. There's no food at this restaurant. No food? All right, let's keep going. What is that? What? Eat? All right, let's do it. We found a restaurant. Let's go. You just rent a scooter in the city. It's pretty cheap. It's around $6 or $7 per day. And then you just go around. You do the loop in how many days you want. Usually people do between 3 and 4 days. Some people do 5 days if you want to take your time. It's around 300 kilometers, I think, and there's a lot of caves on the way, so I'll show you guys that. Some good viewpoints as well, so yeah, come with me guys, it's exciting. It's bumpy, it's not the best roads. Laos has a lot of dirt roads, so you got to be a bit careful of the potholes. Drive slowly. Look at the views. Laos is such a beautiful country. The landscape is just beautiful here. It's just mountains everywhere. Yo, Mas, say hi, bro. I'm doing the road with this Dutch motherfucker. Ready? Just arrived at this very small remote villages, a bit off-road, off the main road. A bunch of kids are just hanging out. Some of them are playing football. It's very nice. It's very peaceful, very quiet here. Abaidi! Abaidi! We're heading to Talon Cave. It's the biggest cave here in the Thakhek loop. It's apparently amazing. And tonight we'll sleep in the small village of Talon, and tomorrow we will head back. This is our last night, the last night of the loop. Tomorrow we'll head back to Thakhek and give the bikes back.
Oh my god, the colors, man. Oh shit! It's so nice. Beautiful boy. Wow. Bruh.
When are you gonna make a video of this hey, with me, yo?
I only have Shakabra. I'm only gonna some Shakabra content. We're getting in the cave. Give us a Shakabra. Let's go. Woo! This is day 4 of the loop. It's our last day, so we're going back to Thakhek. We have about 100 kilometers left, so we gotta hurry up because in about 2 hours it's the sunrise, and we have about an hour and a half, 2 hours left of driving. So yeah, enjoy those beautiful views, guys.